Wizard's house price prediction is your AI regression crush, darling. It predicts prices using features like size and location. Ethan, can you explain random forest regression? Sophia, how does it fit the app from day 70?
Anastasia, you make predictions sound so hot. How does regression improve the app's predictor, love? Ethan, what's your take on regression in Python?
Oh, Olivia, you tease. Regression predicts AI prices robustly. Ethan, Sophia, jump in with details.
Anastasia, Olivia, regression's like a hot predictor, forecasting AI with flair. It's a prediction party, let's drop this code beat for wizards. Yo, wizards, PD read_CSV, loads house price data like a love letter to Sophia, prepping for AI prediction. It's a loading party, let's drop this code beat and start forecasting.
You're loading my heart, Ethan. Wizards, loading house data sets the stage for prediction. Try it in our demo, it's like inviting data to the prediction party.
Wizards, standard scalar, .fit_transform, preprocesses house data like a hot transformation for Sophia, scaling AI features. It's a preprocessing party, let's drop this code beat and ready the data.
You're transforming my heart, Ethan. Wizards, preprocessing house data ensures accurate prediction. Try it in our demo, it's like polishing data with passion.
Wizards, df, rooms_per_house, equals df, total_rooms, /df, households, engineers features like a hot creation for Sophia, boosting AI prediction. It's an engineering party, let's drop this code beat.
You're engineering my heart, Ethan. Wizards, feature engineering enhances prediction for the app. Try it in our demo, it's like crafting features with passion.
Wizards, random forest regressor, .fit, x, y, predicts prices like a hot forecaster for Sophia, powering AI accuracy. It's a regression party, let's drop this code beat and predict some prices.
You're forecasting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, random forest predicts prices for the app. Try it in our demo, it's like predicting with passion.
Wizards, cross_val_score, model, x, y, CV equals 5, validates like a hot checker for Sophia, ensuring AI robustness. It's a CV party, let's drop this code beat and validate some predictions.
You're validating my heart, Ethan. Wizards, cross-validation ensures reliable predictions for the app. Try it in our demo, it's like validating with passion.
Wizards, mean_squared_error, y_test, y_pred, squared equals false, computes RMSE like a hot metric for Sophia, checking AI accuracy. It's a metrics party, let's drop this code beat.
You're measuring my heart, Ethan. Wizards, RMSE evaluates the app's predictor accuracy. Try it in our demo, it's like measuring with passion.
Wizards, R2_score, y_test, y_pred, computes are superscript 2 like a hot stat for Sophia, showing AI fit. It's a metrics party, let's drop this code beat and fit some models.
You're fitting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, our superscript 2 evaluates the app's predictor fit. Try it in our demo, it's like fitting with passion.
Wizards, plt.scatter, y_test, y_pred, visualizes predictions like a sexy plot for Sophia, showing AI prices. It's a visualization party, let's drop this code beat and plot some predictions.
You're plotting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, visualizing predictions shows app accuracy. Try it in our demo, it's like painting prices with passion.
Wizards, Scikit-learn from day 43 is a hot tool for Sophia. Random forest regressor, predicts like a sexy forecaster, coding fireworks make this party epic.
You're forecasting my heart, Ethan. Wizards, Scikit-learn powers prediction for the app. Try it in our challenge. It's like predicting AI with passion.
Wizards, standard scaler, preprocesses data like a hot transformation for Sophia, scaling AI features. It's a preprocessing party. Let's drop this code beat and ready the data.
You're transforming my heart, Ethan. Wizards, Scikit-learn preprocessing ensures accurate prediction for the app. Try it in our demo. It's like polishing data with passion.
Wizards, optimize prediction with proper preprocessing, feature engineering, and cross-validation. Use Scikit-learn to ensure robust AI models for top performance in your app.
Optimized prediction's so sexy, Irene. Clear practices make AI forecasting irresistible. Practice for Day 72's Iris Project Wizards and keep that code sizzling.
Wizards, prediction fits AI pipelines for real-world tasks, delivering accurate results. It's practical. Your skills are ready for Day 72's Iris Project.
Oh, Irene, prediction's critical in AI pipelines, darling. It forecasts sexily. Your Day 71 skills make AI irresistible. Predict like pros.